Come let me show you how to make this night falling rain. Check it out. Hello guys, welcome to Chef Paul Kitchen again. Amazing, thank you. Right now I'm going to prepare some nice pepper shrimp with garlic Red Bull sauce. Check it out. Shrimp right here. So this is going to be great. This is what Jamaican use to make pepper shrimp. Real spicy pepper shrimp in Jamaica. So I'm just going to marinate my shrimp right now. Some salt. Season have a lot of different spices, so it tastes very good. That's it. And you just shake like that and let the shrimp jump in your pan. Marinate. Yeah. These are some nice smush. Just chop them up with the hot pepper in. I don't want it to burn. Definitely not. I already washed my peppers. Slice my peppers up. So, and they have a lot of flavor too, you know. I don't want to handle everything though, guys. Nice pepper shrimp with garlic Red Bull sauce. So definitely, this is Jamaican style, but what I'm doing, I'm just adding some Red Bull to my sauce to make the flavor different. Right now, I'm just gonna add some coconut oil in my pot. So first, right now, get back to this. I'm gonna add some pimento seed in my oil. Nice. Now I'm gonna lower my shrimp, pepper shrimp. So these shrimp, there you go. Shrimp already start changing color. See that? Beautiful. Hot pepper going in. Remember guys, it's pepper shrimp with garlic Red Bull sauce, so it's supposed to be spicy. That's all it's all about. It's spice. So you know, head on shrimp take at least 5 to 6 minutes to cook on high flame, 8 to 10 minutes on very low flame. So you gotta make sure your shrimp is cooked properly. Alright guys, shrimp looking very nice. And now I'm gonna make that simmer. I like to be creative. I like to add other stuff to food, you know, to see how it tastes. This one, the aroma, very good. Wow, this is gonna give you wings. For real, Red Bull. Wow. Shrimp and Red Bull gonna give you wings. Gotta make sure the sauce is right, the seasoning is right. Taste this. Yes, it's spicy. So my shrimp was seasoned perfectly when I marinated it. So you don't need to add anything else to it. You don't. If you're using hot pepper, you don't need black pepper. That's definitely wrong. So definitely right now I had my everything inside, my Red Bull, my pimento and my hot pepper and the garlic in the Red Bull sauce gonna emerge and everything gonna taste so good guys. It's going down very nice. For this you cannot cover your pot. Reason being, if you cover the pot, it's gonna start steam and it's gonna gather more water. So you just need your sauce, your pot open, let your sauce reduce, and it's just right. So I'll be adding all of these ingredients and preparation of my pepper shrimp in garlic Red Bull sauce in the description. So check it out, guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment. It's very important. Tell me what you think about my dish or whatever I cook, you know. Please. I'm just gonna put it in the middle of my plate. Alright. Start plating my shrimp. I used to these time and see. I want all my sauce to garnish right around. So remember, this is pepper shrimp